going on, Busters? Welcome back to a Certified Rippers production. Happy New Year's. It's been a minute. All the content you're probably going to see after this video is old. So this is the only new video you're going to see for a while. I'm joined here with 𝘠𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘨, a.k.a.
Guys?
Bradley Loki-Tech, a.k.a.
World's fastest 2-valve, honestly.
World's fastest 2-valve because mine
it's
ain't
not him anymore.
It ain't me no more, but it's okay. I got the 4-valve Superior. We got both cars. We're about to roll over to Andrew's. Andrew just put in a dyno jet. Bradley just had his car on the dyno recently.
Yep.
What did it make?
395.
395. So it was almost there. It's the 400 mark.
Pretty low boost. It was only like 10 pounds. And, you know, I bought a smaller pulley with plans for it to bump it up to 12. And, brother, this thing said it's going to be 15 pounds of boost. So now PSI. I have no idea what this thing is going to make.
Let's see if he can reach his goals, and the Yellow Cobra, we're going to see if that thing reaches its goals. Last time it was on a dyno, there was some problems with it, and it wasn't 100% where it needed to be tuning-wise, and now it is. So we're going to see if we can get past the 850 mark. I think it's going to make 830.
This guy is not optimistic, man. He's just playing in the fall short.
I think 830 is what it's going to make. I'm just going to be honest with you. But we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll shoot down there to Andrews. Yeah, dude, looking meatful.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, before you start it and run it, we got to get the guesses in, okay?
Okay, first guess is going to be 399.
399?
For first pull, yeah.
First pull, 399.
410.
410.
You stole my guess.
I saw the torque.
415.
415. Price is right, 411.
My guess is 389.
389.
Alright, send this sucker. Remember how to use this thing? Green button, go. Alright.
My ears! Little wavy boys, wow.
That was close.
What it make?
408.
What's the torque?
Woo!
448.
It only took 3 years.
448?
Yeah. And that's only 17 degrees of time. I think I wasn't like all the way flipped to the floor though.
So, made 408 first run. How much torque?
48.
448 torque, 408 horsepower. Not bad. It made 400 horsepower.
Someone just bought this pulley a long time ago.
Yeah, dude, sounds like it. Maybe someone told you that a couple of times and you never listened to them. If you guys remember, like 2 years ago, I met Bradley doing a review video on this car. And I hate that video.
It made 315.
It made 315 at the time, and I hated the video because I could not hide. I was so young, I could not hide the fact that I was a little disappointed with the car because even that day I had my 2-valve at the time, NA, and I was racing him, and they were races. You weren't leaving me, and you had a boosted car. So it's been cool to see Bradley's evolution with this car.
It also was an automatic.
It was an automatic back then.
So, that was
Yep, now it's MS3, more boost. It's got the better intercooler shield underneath the blower. Yeah. He's about to throw some timing in it and put on his big boy pants and see what it makes. 22, then 21, and then 20 in the middle. So copy that whole line in the middle. Just in here. And bridge it. Make it
smooth.
No, keep adding to it until it's in the middle. That was good.
All right. Should I mess with anything else?
Nope, leave it. Let's rip.
Right.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Still got a little lean.
What's a little lean?
Like 13, 12, 9, 13-ish.
Yeah, that's lean for sure.
Not peaking to 13, but
What'd it make?
take a guess.
430.
423.
423. Yeah, put 18 back in it and leave it.
Yeah, I think so too. I think 18 is the spot.
Guess what it made?
What do you do?
21 degrees timing.
You put 21 in? 424.
453.
No.
Yep.
You're lying. See the graph? Get straight over. You're lying.
453, dude.
No way.
453.
You're fucking lying. You're full of shit.
453.
From
And
8
512 torque.
From 18 degrees to 21 degrees.
453, 519 torque.
Definitely got like 700 in her. I think they're full of shit.
Dude, you're about to be fucking schooled right here. buddy.
Your mind's about to be blown. I just said
You're
424,
right
you motherfucker.
You're right on it.
Alright guys, so for many years, I told Bradley over there to ditch the saline kit because it's pretty dog water. But after all this adversity he's going through it, and all this work he's done to it, fuel system, 𝘰𝘦𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘭, etc., throwing timing at it, MS3, I'm finally allowed to say I'm proud of you for doing what I told you you couldn't do, and I was wrong. I think you should still put a torque tech kit on it. Torque tech?
I'm happy with it, with where it's at. We hit the goal.
Hold on. Sweat check.
I'm still not sweating.
We're good.
Dry. We dry. We dry. The car
You
made
look like-
400.
You
I
look-
looked like I was gonna, I was having the poop of my life during both of those pools, but you know.
Dude, I look like I'm taking a dump. I look like I'm taking a fat dump.
Look like a straight
the
monkey
dump
right there.
of my life. Holy crap.
It's gonna be the highest horsepower one.
Did 2 runs, a watt, one with about 19.9 degrees timing, so 20. And it made 822 at 745 torque. Ran it again, 21 degrees timing. And we got 836 out of it. So pretty marginal difference there. It's about 14, 15 horsepower for a degree and a half. So I'll take it. 753 torque on that second one, by the way. Pretty much now what we're doing is this car has chambered mufflers. It has flowmasters in it. So now we're letting it cool down. He's got the intercooler jumped, the intercooler pumped. So now, of course, him being him, he's gonna have me get down there and unbolt his catback. Once it cools down, I have to work on it. And then we're just gonna freaking run it like no mufflers, no catback, see if we get any power increase. But it's kind of cool because we'll finally get to see firsthand if a chambered muffler costs you power. So this car makes a lot of horsepower. A lot of people said that he would lose power. A lot of people said that it wouldn't make a difference. But today we're going to find out if the flowmasters are actually causing him any horsepower, which is kind of cool. All right, guys. So here's our setup here. Got the wideband right there for the dyno. Just pulled off the catback. Got it around and out. So now coming straight out of the mid pipe. This exhaust is flowmaster setup. So it does have the chambered mufflers on it. I'm pretty sure they're 40 series, something like that. So now we've got it taken off, and we're going to see what the power difference is.
Well, what happened?
We did another hit. We made 842. So, to be fair, that is the highest horsepower of the day. It's 842, and torque is 856. So we picked up 7 or 8 torque, and we picked up 5 horsepower.
20 horsepower, it'd be there'd be maybe some evidence, but I think 5, you gained what? 6 horsepower?
5 or 6 horsepower is 5 or 6 horsepower, but at the end of the day, it's not worth not putting these mufflers.
No.
Because this car sounds good,
yeah.
it's not worth it.
It's also margin of error.
Dude, 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘴, dude.
Yep. I got the adapter harness